Sunny can be in my YouTube video. Okay, guys, I've been gone for a million years, it feels like. But I am taking a bit of a sabbatical. My friend came to rescue me from the after effects of Hurricane Ian. My boat was crushed under a couple of other boats. I'm not sure the extent of the damage. I'll put some pictures up here for you. Because I had live power lines laying over the top of it, so I couldn't get inside to scope out how bad it is. I'm working with FEMA, and their inspector is at the boatyard trying to assess the damage, but I don't think they could get aboard either. So we'll see how that goes. I was uninsured because the vessel was an antique, and they will basically insure you for liability only in Florida, especially during hurricane season. And I wasn't ready to leave the boatyard yet, so kind of stuck with whatever happens, and we'll see how things go from here. But for now, I am in, actually we're in Tennessee. I'm staying in North Carolina, but right now we are in, what is it, Big Fork?
Rocky Fork State Park.
Rocky Fork State Park. And we're playing in the water, looking for rocks, and just kind of getting my head back on right. I lost one of my friends in the boatyard. He, yeah, it hit me kind of hard. Steve didn't make it through the storm. He tried to ride his boat out through the hurricane to try to save it if something happened, and he had the same idea that I did, and I'm extra glad now that I didn't ride it out on the boat. But
me too. And I'm glad I've got you.
Likewise.
I'm glad than anything. I love you.
Sunny's glad too, because he gets to go hiking. And yeah, we're just trying to play it by ear and hang out here, and I'm gonna edit up some video. I've got maybe 2 or 3 months worth of video footage to try to cram into maybe 1 or 2 videos for you guys, and you can kind of see what's happening and where I'm at. And yeah, this is basically starting from scratch. I've got, my job was wiped off the map, my boat was severely damaged, fell off the stands, and no job, no money, no boat. So we'll see how it goes. Guys, we weathered the storm. It was pretty brutal. The only hurricane shutters left on the house were the ones up front and back, and it blew them right out of the concrete on the sides. I don't have shoes on. I'm going to go try to show you. Yeah. These are cement ledges. That's concrete. It just blew them all right out. They ended up back in the yard. I think they banged. My waist shattered glass. Everybody watch your footies. I'm good. We're desperate for hot food, so we're going to D-Hop, and if they have water, I'm going to wash my hands so much. There we go. Now you guys are getting it the same moment that I am. Oh, God. Okay, guys, she is underneath some other boats. Looks like this down here in the hull is gonna have to be repaired. Someone else's lifelines. Looks like we're laying on the jack stands, which is nice. They're not through the hull. Man. There's so many dreams here. Hard to look at. Okay, let's go around the back.
They look like to you, Captain.
The jack stands aren't through the hull. There's down power lines right here.
Oh, thank you. I didn't see that.
Oh god. She's laying on the fence and on the... My rudder might need realigned. Looks like my engine wiring is a little bit... Oh, those are live. I can hear it. Be really careful.
Thank you, though.
Oh god. I wonder if my engine is okay. It's like on the fence.
Well, cracked, right? I mean,
All
obviously
things
you wanna
considered,
look
it could be
at
better, but oh my god, look at all these guys.
No, I'm looking at yours. I'll worry about those people later.
This is horrible. God, New Horizon is so fucking sad. Look at her. This is the guy who's been sending me updates.
Yeah.
He's been so kind. And my mast, I haven't even, we have to go see it. I think it's underneath a building.
This out. If they don't pull yours out first, they're going to do further damage, and that's not on you. That's on their crane people.
Yeah. That's amazing. Oh, I'm sorry.
No, you're fine.
That's amazing.
Well, it's amazing if they don't mess it up further.
I mean, I'm gonna have to re-fiberglass right there. I can
Yeah.
tell how it's dented in.
Yeah, absolutely.
I
Well,
have to
even
do
where
some
you've got like some
patchwork.
paint damage in the front, that tiny spot, like just go to
Yeah.
that whole front.
You know what's sad?
Hmm.
I just had this painted. That's a brand new fucking coat of paint, top paint, and bottom paint.
Look at me. Look at me. Just shut the fuck up about your paint job. Because your boat's alive.
I
It's
don't
alive.
know.
It's alive.
The inside, I will probably need new panels. I will bet
Probably.
you money my solar panels are gone for. Done for. Gone. Look at this fucking mast. It's just crumpled over. I even called this guy.
That's
Look at this is what happens when you leave your fucking sails on during a fucking hurricane. Sucks. Alright. Let's go find out what my mast looks like.
Surprisingly good.
I'm a little shocked that it's okay. I'm gonna take pictures instead of just video on my way back out too. I'm having a heart attack. We'll see how the damage actually is when I can get to it. This is awful. These are so many dreams. Yeah.
I'm so glad you weren't in this row.
I don't know, some of these actually fucking made it.
Yeah, the smaller ones did.
even want to look at my mast. I don't want to go. It's fine. I'm going. I'm going. Okay. I don't have a choice. I gotta. My knees are super weak right now though. I'm like shaking. Honestly, the mast should be the least of my fucking worries. If the boat lived, like, that's a salvage. I can salvage another one.
Especially now, like you were saying.
Oh, God.
Where's yours?
Underneath everything. Oh my God.
Doesn't look too bad.
It looks straight right now.
Yes, right?
How? Huh.
Made the right sacrifice to Neptune, I guess.
I guess so. My boat's down, but
Yeah.
that looks like it could be worse too. I mean, I took off all my instruments and stuff, but
Oh, the hurricane did that for me.
yeah, oh, I'm sure.
Yeah.
Oh my God, do you have a boat here too?
Yeah.
Is yours, did you make it through or?
Yeah, I stayed on it.
You stayed
And
on it, oh
when
my
the boats
God.
around me started falling, I'd run out and grab their stands and shove them under my boat.
Oh my God, that's
So-
smart. Terrifying
I don't
though,
know.
it could
may
be
have been
really
fucking
stupid.
stupid,
Yeah.
actually, but I
Could
lived
have
through
been.
it, so I guess it's smart.
Oh, do we talk to Dawn about getting our boat put back up eventually or?
Oh yeah, they're prioritizing boats based on the power lines. This is
Okay.
the smaller crane. They got a bigger crane coming because they got some bigger boats that are down on the lines. So after they get those, and I assume they'll start picking the rest of them up, but I honestly don't know. But yeah, he's over there. Yeah, there he is, sitting over there.
Yeah,
The guy in charge sitting down.
yeah. That's how it be.
Right? Don't tell him I said that.
No, I'm a mechanic. I know how that goes. Oh my God. I really want to see how this...
Those are the ones that you want. I walked all the way down.
I mean,
Stand by. Get the tarp away. There you go.
oh my
She
God,
is.
it's in one piece. I could fucking hug you right now, dude. Like, oh,
It looks straight.
it's fucking
It looks
straight. All right. Thank God.
That's better. There we go. Giggle.
Oh my God. It's salvageable. I can fucking have a place to live in no time.
See? This is what you deserve.
I just gotta stay on Misty's couch and like your couch for a while. It's fine. Oh my God. I'm fucking crying. These are happy tears. Oh God. Okay, looks like that's all that I had time to show you guys. I don't want to make my videos longer than 20 minutes because I feel like it's unbearable, but just the sheer scale of damage that you're seeing in the video is honestly not even the complete picture. We had a 40-foot boat in the middle of the highway
on Cape Coral Highway. We had down power lines everywhere, trees, houses missing, roofs, entire houses being swept away, bridges were completely broken apart. Sanibel and Captiva Islands were completely cut off from the grid, cut off from the mainland. There was no way to evac them besides on boats. Same thing for Pine Island. It was just really a devastating storm for everybody all around. I'm not trying to make it seem like my problems are worse than anyone else's down there. They're not, but definitely it was an emotional time for me and for everybody else down there who's been affected by Hurricane Ian. I know there are some local donations that you can make to help people out. I'll try to find some and put the links down below. And I hope everyone's having a good day, and just remember how blessed you are. And if you made it through the hurricane without damage, then you are extra blessed and definitely made the right sacrifices to Neptune.